Which relation does not represent a function? So in order for the relationship to show a function, right, every input has a unique output, or has one unique output. So let's go through each of the scenarios and see what that looks like. So in option 1, every x value is unique. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And all of the outputs are also unique. The outputs don't have to be unique as long as the inputs are unique. So here, our inputs are not repeating at all. So the unique output for 1 is 3.2. The unique output for 2 is 4. The unique output for 3 is 5.1, and so on and so forth. So this is not going to work because it does represent a function. All right, let's look at option 2 next. Option 2 passes the vertical line test for every input. So if we draw a vertical line test for every input, there is uniquely only one output. So we're not going to pick option 2 because it passes the vertical line test. Option 3 is a type of function that we haven't yet explored in class, but that's okay. I would recommend plugging this into your calculator to see the graph. And when you do, it's going to look something like this. And again, this function will pass the vertical line test. So even if you didn't know what option 3 was and you couldn't decide, if you looked at option 4, you would see that the input of 1 has an output for 4 and 5. So this is not a function because 1 does not have a unique output. The input of 1 has 2 outputs, 4 and 5, and every input should only have one unique output. Additionally, 2 does not have a unique output. So when you input 2, it has 2 outputs, 6 and 7. And we see the same issue for the input of 3. It has 2 outputs, 8 and 9. So the answer is 4. This does not represent a function.